Time for unboxing! Yes! So if you're a makeup or skincare junkie, I'm sure your wallet is very skinny right now because all of our favorite beauty sellers, beauty stores had crazy sales recently. Guardian had their 50% off all makeup product sale, and then Hermo, of course, had their 612 anniversary sale, and then Watson's had their sale, and then all the Korean skincare products had their sale. So it's a wonderful time for makeup and skincare junkies, but also a horrible time for our wallets. Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing all my purchases during the pre-Raya makeup skincare sales. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with, so I have my Guardian bag here, and I have my Hermo box here. Let's do Hermo first. So I love Hermo, and this video isn't sponsored. Hermo sells a lot of Korean products, and they also have a lot of local products, a lot of Western products. So it's basically everything in one roof, and then they're very generous with vouchers and sales. So if you love beauty and you don't know about Hermo yet, you should probably check it out. But if you don't have self-control, then I don't recommend it. Because I personally am not a Sephora girl. I don't use a lot of luxury beauty products. I use a lot of drugstore and Korean products. So I don't really shop in Sephora, but I love Hermo. Okay, so this is my Hermo box. I bought this about a week ago, so I don't really remember what I bought. So let's just see what we have. Oh look! This is free. They gave me a, like, I think it's a, it's a soap, and it's shaped like laksa. Oh, so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna use this, but it's cute. Oh, this is free. I got something from Believe. It's a blackhead serum gel. Awesome. I have a lot of blackheads, so this is gonna be useful. Let's see how it looks like. So it has a mask. Cool. And then it has these two products, which are blackhead serum gel and also a skin smoothing mask. Nice. So usually when you order something from Hermo, you'll get something free. And aw, look, I got a card. It's a have her amazing birthday from Hermo. Dear Fariza, have a fantastic birthday bash complete with the beauty makeover. Love, Team Hermo. Thank you. My birthday was last month, so glad they remember. So another thing that was free, I don't remember free or I think it was purchased with purchase, was this one. This is so cute. This is a sleeping mask. I love sleeping masks. It's one of the sleeping masks with gel inside. So you can put it in the fridge and it'll be cold. I bought two of these. These are the, oh no, it's gel. These are the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, the pink one. This is my favorite thing ever. I bought two and I managed to get my mom to use it as well. I use it not just to remove makeup, but as the first step of my cleansing. I use the double cleansing method in my skincare. Let me know if you want a skincare routine video, and I can explain how I do the double cleansing method and my whole like 10-step skincare routine. So let me know in the comments if you want a skincare video. So I bought two of these. They were really cheap. During the sale, Hermo had a lot of like twin packs. So I bought two of these Cosrx. Is that how you pronounce it? Cosrx? Cosrx AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner. This is my favorite toner. I have really bad blackheads on my nose. It was really bad. Let me tell you, it was really bad that one time I went to a spa to get a facial, and then the beautician was like so shocked to see my nose. She was like, "Wow, you have so much blackheads, ah!" And then it was, and I hate going to facials because they will be extracting the blackheads on my nose and my lips and my cheeks, and it's so painful. So I don't have to go to facials anymore because I sort of switched up my skincare. I found skincare that really works for me, and one of them is these. These are really, really helpful. They are really good for exfoliating your face without, you know, this is a really good chemical exfoliant. So this is awesome. I have I bought two. I have one that's in my bathroom that I'm still using right now. So this is, so I love these. So next, finally, this is the last packet from Hermo. Oh my god. They really pack this so securely. It's so hard to open. So this one, I don't remember why I bought these. I think this one was for free. Was it free? Yeah, probably. I probably got this for free. So this is an aloe vera moisturizing gel. These are the normal aloe vera gels. I love aloe vera gels because I use it as a moisturizer. I don't use a moisturizing cream or anything as the last step for my skincare. Again, if you want a skincare routine, let me know so that I can explain everything for you. So this one is a bonus. I use aloe vera gels anyway. You see, aloe vera is for your face, your hands, your hair. It works. It's a miracle product. So it's always useful. Next is the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. My old one was, I'm almost running out of my old one. I spray this after I do my makeup. Not every time. Usually when I go for events or weddings or when I'm shooting a video and I want my makeup to stay, then I will use the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. The next is this. This is the Kajal Magic eyeliner from Maybelline, L'Oreal. I can't see because it's covered by the Hermo tag, but I think it's L'Oreal. So this is just a regular kohl eyeliner that works for me. I have dry eyes, I have sensitive eyes. Sometimes when I do tight lining, not all eyeliners work for me. So this one works, so I'll always keep refilling it. And then finally, what I got from Hermo is the Mise, is that how you pronounce it? The Mise Perfect Repair Hair Oil, or Serum Hair Oil. This is a Korean product for your hair. Whenever you go to Hermo and you click on bestsellers, this thing is always on top. So since they're having a sale, I thought this would be the perfect time to try it. And yeah, so this is going to be my first time trying this product, and I hope it works. After wearing the hijab, I don't really take care of my hair, so maybe I should start. So that's all the products I got from Hermo. Alright, let's move on to Guardian. So Guardian had their 50% off all makeup products sale, which was awesome. And then everybody was going to Guardian and all the shelves were empty because everybody bought like all their bestsellers. And then there was a little bit of a drama because all the Maybelline Fit Me foundation wasn't on the shelves, and we all thought like, oh, like everybody bought them so fast. But it turns out that the Maybelline Fit Me products were part of the 50% off sale, so that was like wow. So whatever. Before Guardian, it's just something that I bought from the Face Shop. Because like I said, even the Korean brands had their pre-Raya sale. So some of the products on Face Shop were buy second piece for 50% off. So I got my sunscreen from Face Shop. So this is my favorite sunscreen. I've been using it for a few years. This is the Natural Sun Perfect Sunscreen with SPF 50 from the Face Shop. It was second piece for 50% off, so I got two. Because the one I'm using is almost running out. So it's always good to have refills. I usually buy my refills whenever there's a crazy sale. Oh, hold on. Before Guardian, another Korean product that I got other than the Face Shop is the Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. I heard like really good things about these, so I finally want to try it. I don't think it was on sale, but it's only like 20 ringgit, so it's okay. So let's get to Guardian. This is my Guardian receipt. Oops. And ooh, they gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They gave me 5 money packets. They're so pretty. Look, so pretty. Pink and blue and peach, and I love it. Oh my god, like that's like the cool foil and everything. Oh, love it. Okay, thank you, Guardian. Let's start with. Okay, of course, I bought another Garnier Micellar cleansing water in pink. These things run out very fast because, like I said, I use them every day for as part of my skincare routine, and then my mom uses it as well. So you know, whenever it's on sale, I'll just grab it. Next thing I bought is the Safi Rania Gold Eye Contour Cream. I don't really have like an eye bag, like a really bad eye bag or dark circles problem, but I do have fine lines under my eyes because the skin under my eyes is really thin, and I guess I'm getting older. I used this for a few years and it works really well for something that is like so cheap and like a local brand. A friend of mine told me that it works for her, that it really helps to fill the lines under her eyes, so I thought I'd try it, and it really did work. So I used it for a few years, and then I thought, why don't I try another product? So I bought a Face Shop anti-aging eye cream, which is a lot more expensive than this. This is like 20 ringgit, and then the Face Shop one was about 100 plus. And the Face Shop one didn't really do anything about my fine lines. I noticed that whenever I'm wearing concealer or foundation under my eyes, that the fine lines are really prominent. So I stopped using Face Shop, and I'm gonna start using this again. It just goes to show that just because something is a little bit more expensive doesn't mean that it works. You have to pay attention to what really works on your skin and not on the price tag. So before we get to the makeup stuff, let's just get the skincare thing out. So what I got was the Hada Labo Super Moisturizing Premium Hydrating Lotion. I started using this maybe a month or 2 months ago because I noticed that my skin was a bit textured, and then I had like little small bumps all over my cheeks, my forehead. I was looking for something that would help me with that, and it turned out that the texture in my skin is probably caused by me not cleansing my skin properly. So that's why I started using the double cleansing method that I mentioned, and also because my face wasn't moisturized properly. So I read some really good reviews about this, so I grabbed one from the drugstore, and it says hydrating lotion, but the thing with Japanese skincare is lotion usually means toner. It's not really lotion as in a moisturizing cream. It says to use twice a day after cleansing face. So apply on palms and gently pat onto skin until thoroughly absorbed. So you use this like a toner after you cleanse your face. It really helps to moisturize your face. It has like 5 types of hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is really good for moisturizing your face. So I love this. It has sort of like a sticky consistency, but not in an unpleasant way. It's really nice. Okay, so let's move on to the makeup. So the first thing I got was the Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Anti-Shine Base. This is a primer that you use before you put on foundation. I don't really wear primer because I don't really like wearing foundation. I am more of a BB cushion kind of girl. But recently I've started to wear foundation because, honestly, it's because I have a lot of foundation in my makeup drawer that I haven't been using. So my skin is more on the dry side, dry combination I think. I do tend to get oily on my T-zone throughout the day if I'm out for a long time. And also if I'm wearing full face makeup, I tend to sweat a lot. Yeah, it says silky matte finish, long lasting, oil free, and yes, it works. I'm wearing it right now actually, so it's awesome. If you notice that your skin tends to get greasy and oily and shiny after a few hours, then try putting this on underneath your makeup and see how your life has changed. So speaking of foundation, since everything was 50% off, I bought a refill of my L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation. I bought this the first time on a whim. Like I said, I'm more of a BB cushion kind of girl, but BB cushion doesn't really have high coverage, more of a natural light medium coverage. So I was looking for a foundation from a drugstore with more of a medium high coverage. And then a friend of mine recommended the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation. I bought it on Hermo. I just sort of like, you know, okay, this one is my skin color. And then I got lucky because the one that I bought online from Hermo is exactly my skin color, which is the 132 Beige. So I bought that when it was on sale. So since this one was 50% off, of course I grabbed it. So if you're looking for a drugstore foundation with medium to high coverage, then I would recommend this foundation. Next, of course, is another refill. I'm sure everybody has this product, which is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is a really great cult product. Everybody has used this, and if you haven't used it, you should, because it's a really good concealer for under your eyes or anywhere. I have one that I opened, one that I bought back up, and then this is my second backup. Okay, so I have a lot of pencils, you guys. Look at all the pencils. Oh, so this one is not a pencil. Okay, this is the Palladio Matte Blush. I saw some good reviews about this blush. I don't really have a favorite blush. I haven't really found my holy grail blush yet, so I'm always looking for blush. Maybe I'll try it out in a future video. So another product that I wanted to try because I saw some good reviews about it is the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. Basically, it's the brow mascara for your brows. I have very thin brows. If you saw my videos where I haven't applied my brows yet, you'll see that I have very, very thin, almost non-existent brows. So products like these where they add volume to your brows is usually very helpful when you don't have time to draw on your brows with a pencil. Then these sort of products are really helpful. So this is something that I want to try out. Next from Palladio as well is I have 3 of these brow definer pencils. So they're the kind of brow pencil with a really tiny tip, similar to the NYX brow pencil, which I used before. So I thought I want to try it out because this is a lot cheaper. And I bought 3 because one is for me, one is for my mom, one is for my grandma. Having very thin brows is something that runs in the family, so yeah, we love our brow products. Next thing I bought is the Maybelline Hyper Shop Liner, the one with the red cap. This is my tried and true liquid eyeliner pen. Like I mentioned before, I have very sensitive eyes, so when I find an eyeliner that works for me, then I make sure to buy lots of it. So yeah, this is my favorite liquid eyeliner. Okay, let's just stick to eyes for now. The next thing I bought are the Catrice liquid metal long-lasting cream eyeshadows. These are so pretty and so cheap. I bought the shade Champagne Shower, Brown Under, and Daily Dose of Rose. These are metallic eyeshadows. I've heard some really good reviews about them, so I thought I'd give it a shot. See how pretty they are. Moving on to lip products, I bought 2 lip liners from Silky Girl. These are so cheap. I bought them in nude and mauve. I like lip pencils to sort of draw the shape of my lips before I put on lipstick. Sometimes I do it even after I put on lipstick because it makes your lipstick look a lot neater when you have lip pencil on, and also it makes it last a little bit longer if you put it under your lipstick. So lip liners are really useful. I don't really worry about the brand, so since these are cheap, I thought I'd try them out. I'm sure they work fine. Another thing I bought from Silky Girl is the Typical Matte Chunky Lip Cream. I love this. I think I have 5 shades. They are long lasting. I love the texture. They are really light. I've used matte lipsticks from the drugstore that say they're matte, but they never dry. They're really messy. Or some matte lipsticks that are so dry that they dry your lips. This is just the perfect combination. I bought the color Artsy because I like to think I'm artsy. I think it's like a berry red color, which is really pretty. Okay, last products from Guardian is the Revlon Super Luster lipsticks. These are classic lipsticks from Revlon. I've been using them for years. The formula has been consistently the same. The packaging has been the same. They've been around for a really long time. If you watch Breakfast at Tiffany's, Audrey Hepburn was wearing Revlon lipsticks. They work. So since they're on sale, I thought I'd grab a few. I bought the Matte in Seductive Sienna and Cream in Tea Rose. Oh, and last but not least, I bought a small Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water in pink. I bought the small one for travel. Just for Raya, I'm going to bring it when I balik ako. So it's useful to have a travel size version of your favorite product. So that's it, you guys. That is my Guardian slash Hermo slash Face Shop slash Innisfree pre-Raya beauty haul. Some of the products I've never tried yet, so if you have tried them, it'll be really useful if you could tell me what you think about them. And for the products that I have tried and that I love, I hope that you would find my opinions and thoughts on them useful for your next purchase. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll be posting more videos soon, inshallah, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!